Hello everybody, Alethea here. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to film this super short, super quick video. I'm gonna call it a bite-sized life guide. I'm gonna do a few of these throughout my time here on YouTube just to give you a little sprinkle of information. Today's is about cleaning. Surprise! From a Virgo. I'm gonna tell you my cleaning secrets. So once every single day, I will set my timer for 15 minutes and I will clean as much as I can in that time frame. Such an amazing habit. Changed my life, changed what my house looks like. I'm not overwhelmed. I'm not stuck in perfectionism of, oh, this has to be perfect. It's just, what can I get done in 15 minutes? You can do this at any time of day, whatever works for you in your schedule. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tip. More of these to come in the future. I am wearing another one of my boas today. I'll show that off here. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know. I don't have eyes in the back of my head, but thank you for watching. I'll be back next week with more videos for you. Until then, you can catch up with me on my social medias. I'll link them below. I'll link this website to get my bows below. And look forward to talking to you soon. Mwah. Thank you. I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy cleaning.